3 jumping jacks. Because I did 5 yesterday. That's already too many for me. 3. Chat, y'all can survive 3. My family's gonna die. Y'all good? Atlantis has resurfaced. California just floated away. 1,000 people dead in New York. My legs are broken. And my mom just typed in the chat and said my glasses fell off my face. Yo, ban my mom. Russia has left the earth. 33 dead in Cuba. Yeah, I'm about to shut the stream off. My mom fell out of her casket. Yo, I'm pretty sure you're canceled for that. My character got knocked in Fortnite. Dude, how do you...